traders for you to be able to add any currency pair or index, maybe any instrument, any. It's very simple. What you have to do is come to this plus sign icon over here, click it to add, and then we click it. For now, I'm making example of the Nas because I know some of you traders want to trade the Nas or Nasdaq. So it's very simple to get it, but there are two ways for you to do it. It's either you can search Nas, and there we go. Or you can come over here to the index, and then you get your Nas or Nasdaq, and then you click on it so that you can add it on there. And then for gold, because some of the traders, they were asking me, they want to add gold, they don't know where you can find it. It's very simple. There are two ways. It's either you search or you can come over here, the metal, and then you found gold, you add it. But one thing you must know is that the broker that you are using is different. So you have to check up with the broker if they do offer the Nas, they do offer the gold, or or maybe if you want the volatility, you can require on internet check if the broker is offering that, because not every broker they're the same. The brokers, they're different. And one last thing, one broker that I can recommend that has the Nas and the gold in this form is the binary.com, or you can check JP Market. Now let's go back and see if our instrument are there. Scroll up, and then we have our Nas and we have our gold.